Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to use the Fresha Booking System in 2025 step by step, a beginner's guide. So guys, whether you run a salon, spa, a barbershop or a freelance service business, Fresha is one of the best free tools to manage appointments, clients and payments all in one place. So let's jump right in. All right, so your first step would be to log on to fresher.com. Once you're on here, just go ahead and click on menu and simply click on login or sign up. But you could do a bit of survey by scrolling through and looking through their recommended. You can see some of them are in your locality, you would find some in your country, and you can find the trending spots. And if you scroll a bit more, you can download their app, you can see their reviews, and also the top rated destination for beauty and wellness. That's quite interesting. So let's get right in. So go ahead and click on menu, click on login and sign up. And you're met with the login or sign up menu. So we're going with Fresher for professionals. So click on manage and grow your business. Select this option. And now proceed to enter your email address and click on continue. And then proceed to enter your first name, last name, password. And I'll be showing you what comes next once you click on create account. So once you're done filling this in, go ahead and click on create account. All right, so go ahead and click on create a new business account. So let's go with this option instead of joining an existing business. You're going to have to create a business name and enter your website. So I'm just going to enter a business name and then click on continue. And select the category that best describes your business. So you could go with any category like anything other than, services. You could go with by clicking on other, you'd find them there. But I'm just going to be going with something as easy as a barbershop. And now click on continue. And then select your account type. Let's go with I have a team. So let's say you have a team, click on continue. And what size is your team? 2 to 5. We'll add Wendy as an example of an employee. All right, so click on continue here. And then where do you provide your services? Clients come meet me at the physical location. I visit my client as a mobile operator. I provide virtual services. So you can do all three. Click on continue. And then set your venue. Let's just go with something close. All right, let's go with something like this. And then click on continue. And then which software are you currently using? Okay, so this is the tricky part. You might have to install some of this, but I'm familiar with Calendly. So I'll go with this and then simply click on continue. How did you hear about Fresher? Let's just put it social media, click on done, and boom, your business is set up. So click on done again. And welcome to Fresher, guys. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make use of Fresher as an individual or a business owner. Let's get started. All right, guys. So you're then dropped at the dashboard for Fresher. It's a business dashboard. And here's where you manage your booking, sales, clients, and staff. The dashboard gives you kind of like a quick overview. Let's head over to home. It gives you a quick overview of your appointments for the day, your revenue, your stats, and any other upcoming reminders or anything you need to focus on at the moment. All right, so let's go about setting up your business or your services. So your next step would be to head over to the service tab, but there is no service tab. We have a catalog instead. So click on catalog here. And with catalog, you can actually create a service. So this is the service menu, which could be the service tab. We have service, we have membership, we have products, which you can create different kind of products. You can create a membership for them. If they're a premium member, they do not pay. If they're a platinum member, you get the gist. Now for products, you could maybe sell perfumes, combs, hairstyling, gel, those kind of things. But let's just go ahead and start with a service. So all you need to do is click on add or the drop down here and select a single service. You could make it a bundle. Let's say you're offering both a manicure and a pedicure, or you could create a category. So categories could be hair and styling, facials, massages, that kind of thing on your service. But you could just start off with single service. So once you've selected the single service, all you need to do now is go ahead and enter the name. You could give it a treatment name like male cuts for men's haircuts. So you could call it male cuts, add it to the category of hair and styling. But if you do not find your category here, you could go ahead and create one yourself. And then the treatment type used to help clients find your service on the Fresher marketplace. So it's done automatically. It's going to add you to the men's haircut category when people are searching up businesses to go to around their area. Now you could also generate a description with AI. So click on generate, and it's going to describe your um, service. Now, if you scroll, you can now select the price. It could be a free service. It could be ranging from $100 to 50, or it could be fixed price. And this is in your local currency, which I do not believe can be changed right now. But you could enter something as simple as this, and then set the duration to let's say any time from 1 hour 25 minutes, and you can also add extra time and some options like variation, like dyeing of hair and other things. So once you're done, go ahead and click on save for this particular service. Click on save here, and you'll find it here, and you can just simply drag it and drop different things you can do for your actions. You could add a service, add a bundle, permanently delete the category itself, that kind of thing. All right, so now the next thing you can do is to add your team. So you could set up your staff and calendar. So let's head over to team members. We do have some team members here. So you could just go ahead and click on add and simply add a team member. If you have their picture, you could add their picture here. You could add a first name, an email, a phone number, a birthday, and then their calendar color. Let's say you're setting them up to perform some services. And then you can also add them to certain workspaces like under hairstyling. If you had another category, you could add them here. So let's say this person is only in charge of haircuts, that's both male cuts and female cuts. And then for your location, you could just set up multiple locations if you have access to multiple locations. And then appointment settings. So you could allow calendar bookings. You could allow team members to receive bookings on your calendar via their email, and then you could manage your team's emergency contacts. And now addresses. So you can add an address. You could, like I said, create a profile for them. The job title, which is visible to the clients. Work details, when they start, when they end. The employment type, if it's self-employed or they are an employee. And then the team member ID. So you could create a team member ID, and once you're done, click on add, and it's done. Let's go ahead and discard these changes. And another thing you could do is set up a calendar. So you could set up your bookings on here. As you can see, the date is shown. You can see a scheduled team. You could have either specific people who are in charge of certain activities in your area, or you could make sure it's the entire team who benefits from whatever day you're creating. All right, so you could view it in a 3 day span, a week, a month. Let's move over to a month so it looks like a proper calendar. And then you can click on add. So you can add an appointment, a group appointment, blocked time, sales, quick payments. So let's set up an appointment. And on the appointment menu, this is where you can, create appointments and add a client, or you could leave it empty for anyone who wants to walk in. So let's say mail cuts are available. You can click on plus to add another service. You could also click on continue and then select the time and then assign a team member to it. So you could have Wendy in charge of mail cuts on Friday, and these are the times she would be available. Let's say from 9 till 12, that kind of thing. And then just click on continue and then click on save, and you would have them ready to perform the service for anyone walking in from 9 o'clock. All right, and now you can enable online booking. To accept online bookings or clicks, you can turn it on in your bookings. So just head over to bookings. Let's see. Head over to online bookings, and then you could simply turn online bookings on, but I believe you have to pay for this service. And you can simply share your online bookings to your WhatsApp or any social media platform you own. All right, guys, that's how you can simply make use of Fresher as a beginner. We also have the marketing hub to simply share your services on a wider range. We have clients. You could add your clients to your list, just as we added workers. And then you could check out your reports for performances. And you could also have some add-ons like the Calendly, payments, premium support, Google ratings boost, and data connector. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.